Those of you in the B2B or business to business world can certainly use SMS too. Some examples here include event or training announcements and reminders. That could even be a reminder to schedule some sort of consultation or review. Maybe if you're a business that needs to do a regular cadence quarterly or yearly review of the services you're providing, you could use texting in order to get people to schedule that with you. You could use it when you have a new service coming out, let them know all about that service and ask them if they want to sign up. And of course, asking for reviews is going to be great for your industry as well. Anything you've seen B2B businesses really use text marketing for?
Sometimes I think in the B2B space in particular, this text format is really just great sometimes to just send a checking in type of message and just say thank you. Hey, just wanted to let you know we appreciate your business and appreciate you as a customer. That's the only thing I'd really add to this, but you gave some great examples on thinking about from a B2B perspective how you'd want to use that text channel.